Hello, you're welcome. How to solve this nice exponential equation? Solution from here. And what we have here, when we have a times a, this can be written as a squared. That is here, this follows what we have. We have 4 raised to power x all squared equals to 40 on this side. Also, this follows when we have a raised to power n raised to power n. This same thing as a raised to power mn. This power multiplies. We have 4 raised to power 2x equals to 40 from here. Next step, take the log on both sides. That is, here we have log 4 raised to power 2x equals to log 40 on this side. Then this follows the power law of logarithm. When we have log m raised to power p, the same thing as p log m. That is, here we have 2x log 4 equals to log 40 on this side. The next step, divide both side by log 4. That is, divide this side by log 4. Also, divide this side by log 4. Now this here, log 4 cancel each other. We have 2x equals to log 40 over log 4. Then, next step here, we can write 40 as 4 times 10. And what we have becomes 2x equals to log 4 times 10 over log 4. Then this follows the law of logarithm. When we have log a times b, the same thing as log a plus log b. And this here we have 2x equals to log 4 plus log 10 over log 4. And here, separate this into two fractions. This becomes 2x equals to log 4 over log 4 plus log 10 over log 4. That is, here we have log 4 cancelled each other on one left here. That is, this becomes 2x equals to 1 plus log 10 over log 4. That is, also from here, we can write 10 as 2 times 5, which implies here we have 2x equals to 1 plus log 2 times 5 over log 4. This also follows the law of logarithm. We can write it as 2x equals to 1 plus log 2 plus log 5 over log 4. Then here, separate this into two fractions and we have 2x equals to 1 plus log 2 over log 4 plus log 5 over log 4. Then also from here, we have 4 written as 2 times 2, which is 2 squared. Then here, this becomes 2x equals to 1 plus log 2 over log 2 square plus log 5 over log 2 square. Then from here, we apply the power law of logarithm. 2 comes here and also here. This becomes 2x equals to 1 plus log 2 over 2 log 2 plus log 5 over 2 log 2, which implies here log 2 cancelled each other here. This becomes 2x equals to 1 plus 1 over 2 plus, here we have 1 over 2 times log 5 over log 2. That is, next step here, what we have becomes 2x equals to 1 plus 1 over 2. That's 3 over 2 and plus 1 over 2 times log 5 over log 2. That is, here, we apply change of base when we have log a over log b. This is the same thing as log a to base b. That is, here we have 2x equals to 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2 log 5 base 2. Then we bring this together as one fraction. We have 2x equals to the LCM here, that's 2. And here this becomes 3 plus log 5 base 2. Next thing, multiply both sides by 1 over 2. That is, multiply this side by 1 over 2. Also, multiply this side by 1 over 2. Here, 2 cancel each other here. We have x equals to 3 plus log 5 base 2 all over 2 times 2, that's 4. That is, we have the value of x here. Then let's check if this satisfies this given problem. That is, to substitute the value of x here, which is x equals to 3 plus log 5 base 2 all over 4. And what we have here becomes 4 raised to power 3 plus log 5 base 2 all over 4 times also 4 raised to power 3 plus log 5 base 2 all over 4 is it equals to 40 on this side. That is, from here, we have same base multiplying follows when we have a raised to power m times a raised to power also same power m. This same thing as a raised to power m plus m, that's 2m. That is, here we can write it as 4 raised to power 2 times 3 plus log 5 base 2 all over 4 is it equals to 40 on this side. And this power multiplies 2 here 1 and 2 here 2. We have 4 raised to power 3 plus log 5 base 2 all over 2 is equals to 40 on this side. And also, I write 4 here as 2 square, which is raised to power 3 plus log 5 base 2 all over 2 is equals to 40 on this side. That is, this power multiplies and 2 here cancel each other. We have 2 raised to power 3 plus log 5 base 2 is equals to 40 on this side. And here we apply the law of indices. A raised to power n plus n, same thing as a raised to power n times a raised to power n. And this here we have 2 raised to power 3 times 2 raised to power log 5 base 2 is equals to 40 on this side. Then here 2 raised to power 3, that's 8 times this follows when we have a raised to power log b to base a, which is equals to b. That is, here we have 5 is equals to 40 on this side. Then 8 times 5 give us 40, which is equals to 40 from here. Left hand side equals the right hand side, and therefore we conclude that x equals to 3 plus log 5 is 2 all over 4 satisfy this given problem. And thank you for watching. Don't forget these steps. Subscribe for more videos and turn notification bell on. Share this video, give you a thumbs up and a comment. See you next lesson. Bye for now.